A 3.9 magnitude earthquake struck near Enid, Garfield County, Oklahoma, USA. The tremor was recorded early morning on Friday, the 5th of March 2021 at 2:26 a.m. local time, at a very shallow depth of 2.7 miles below the surface. The event was filed by the United States Geological Survey, the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), which listed it as a magnitude 3.8 earthquake. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage but was probably felt by many people as light vibration in the area of the epicenter. Weak shaking might have been felt in Ames, located 3 miles from the epicenter. Other towns or cities near the epicenter where the quake might have been felt as very weak shaking include Okene, located 15 miles from the epicenter, Wacomas, 16 miles away, Fairview, 17 miles away, and Enid, 18 miles away.